Welcome back to a second weekend in a row adventure, Overland adventure, four-wheel drive adventure, camping adventure. Basically just a camping adventure this weekend. Forest Service roads, Mark Twain National Forest. This is, I believe, Cook Springs. This is cold water, and there's a spring head up there we just drove by. West Fork Black River, this is going into, not very far up there. Got the whole crew with me this time. Keegan and Elijah over there getting some agua. Camping, yeah, it's Friday. I actually took off work today to come down here and ended up being way too late, as always. So, well, we already struck out on one campsite, right on the river. Would have been a really terrific campsite, actually. So, we're just now trying to find some campsites, just getting down here, just getting out. We want to stretch a little bit. Figured to let the little guy, you know, he's been in the car for an hour and a half, so get out and play in the spring here a little bit. So, the saga will continue. Three. Well, howdy and hello there. Been a good weekend so far. Not too shabby. Out here on the West Fork of the Black River right now. What is something spring we're at right now? Good question, right? You'll know what I know. Probably said it maybe, I don't know. Anywho, Suttons Bluff was going to be the main attraction in this area among the Mark Twain National Forest. It's, man, I tell you what, it's nice. It's been nice, very pretty. Man, it was a hell of a morning. It got pretty chilly this morning, actually. But man, it was perfect, actually. It warmed up quick. It's supposed to be like 92 today. I don't know. I really don't know what the temperature is. It is warm. But man, we had a nice night, man, you know, with hanging out with Brandon and Kyle. Brandon just left. He opted out. But Kyle's down here, and his dad's here, and I think his mom's coming down, sister, something like that. I don't know. But man, Eli's down there in the river right now, and Keegan's in the tent, taking a nap. It's man, he's been going 90 to nothing. He's been in the water basically since this morning. We've been traveling around, been in this section of the river 3 different spots today, and then the Middle Fork in Centerville, and hitting some, you know, Forest Service roads, just connecting roads. Man, that's a beautiful area. It's got really nice scenery. I mean, anything can, you know, these are roads that anybody can do. Well, there's a freaking Toyota Tercel right here in front of me right now, swimming. But it's quite busy down here this weekend. There's lots of people over at Sutton Bluff, and not too many where we're at. There's you know, like I said, we're a couple people camping here with us, and there's, you know, these people are down the river swimming. Yeah, I don't know. It's been good. I like it. I suggest it. I recommend it. Sutton's Bluff actually is a campground, actually a real campground. It does have electric sites, and there's you know, shower house and stuff like that. So you're actually still able to enjoy this area and not have to rough it like we are. But you know, we're a little more off the beaten path and a little away from everybody else, which is nice in its own respect. And you know, it's nice to be in a campground sometimes as well too. I know the kids like it to be in a campground sometimes. I know I liked it when I was a kid, you know, riding bikes and finding friends and whatnot. But I tell you what, we're going to enjoy this night. We're going to have a good dinner tonight. Probably a couple different fires, and yeah. Getting ready? Say 1. Say it louder. Say 1.
Wow!
2.
3.
3. Go!
Jump!
Say it again.
Go 1, 2, 3, jump.
Go. Jump! 2, 2, 3.
All right, let's do it. Ready?
Yeah.
Set.
Say go.
Go.
He whispered it. He
Ready?
say
set.
go!
All
Go!
right.
Is she not yet?
I did it, Keegan.
My turn.
My turn.
No, hey, no, Keegan, no.
Looks like there could be a cave right there.
Probably. It's getting harder.
Okay, so this is the second video in a row I dropped the ball on not shooting an outro or anything like that. I know it's a bunch of just jump cuts this entire video, but I don't hate the way it turned out. Honestly, that's my personal opinion though. Anyhow, that was a fantastic weekend, and these long exposure shots that you're seeing right now, I am super happy with the way they turned out. All shot on my S20 Ultra actually. Pretty sick. Anyways, till next time, get found outdoors.